I'm Josh Korick, and this is October 31st, and this is Halloween, your Blue Edge Energy Natural Gas Weekly Update. If there was one day of the year to validate that I have no restraint over what I eat and consume when it comes to sugary food, it is Halloween, and that'll be validated this evening. Let's get to it. I wanted to provide you a couple quick hits for this week. The November contract settled and rolled off the books earlier this week at $2.59.7. The market forecast that we have as we look towards December is still a hold pattern. It has to do with the production that we're still seeing throughout the country. Gas prices since last week are up 30 cents since we did this 1 week ago. And the storage report for the week shows a injection into the ground as of last week of another 89 BCF, which was above the expectations. Now let's do a check on market prices. We're going to take a look here at the December price movement. Natural gas has been kind of on a teeter-totter this week with a sharp knee-jerk up earlier this week due to the snow and colder than normal weather we've had. However, the storage report came out today and really kind of told the narrative that, holy cow, there's still a lot of gas on the market. And so we saw the prices decline down over 6 cents just today alone after the storage report came out from that. If we look at the NYMEX forward price curve here, we do see that the natural gas for December is trading at $2.62 a decatherm. If you look at that graph, you'll notice that last year, gas for December settled at $4.71, so almost $2 beyond where we are trending this year. Just a quick reminder, the November prices did settle earlier this week at $2.59.7. So for folks that are in our program that have RFP volumes and did not hedge, that'll be your base price, if you will, for the gas that you will use in the month of November. And last year, November rolled off just for posterity at $3.18.5. So we're way under last year. For our local indexes, this is important for people in a contract where indexes are called out. Chicago is currently at $2.68 per decatherm today. And Ventura, for our friends on the west side, are $2.69.5. If we pull back up the NYMEX forward price curve chart here again, we'll notice that the November to March gas contract is sitting around $2.65 per decatherm, and that's again for an even hedge. The 2020 strip is at $2.48, and 2021 is at $2.47. Again, that's for flat even loads. What does this all mean again? Prices are still low. So let's go look at the storage report for this week and look at the build cycles. The current injection report shows a build last week of 89 BCF, which was above expectation. The 5-year average has been 59 BCF going into the ground. So we're about 50% higher than what the 5-year average has been. What happened in this last segment of time, we can look at the red line has been above the dark line, which is the 5-year average, is we've had a lot of gas coming from the Permian Basin in West Texas into the market, and that's providing the downward pressure in prices that we have seen and continue to see. We're currently sitting at 3,698 BCFs in storage. That means the glass is 84% full. We're 56 BCF above the 5-year average itself, and that puts storage at 559 BCF above last year at this time. Now we're going to shift to the weather. I think anybody with a pulse in the state of Wisconsin could do this next segment here. We have been colder than normal, and the 6 to 10 day outlook for our area in much of the country is showing colder than normal. Now, again, that's only a few degrees, but that's enough to make a chart go blue. The NOAA 30 to 90 day forecast is still calling for above temperatures throughout the country, except for Wisconsin and Minnesota. So we're at a neutral at that point, and they still think if we're going to have winter, it'll be a late winter. So lastly, I want to do a special shout out to Cody Sandel at Festival Foods, a wonderful client of ours. Cody, if you get this and you made it all the way to the end of this video, send me a note back. Let me know I got a little something coming your way. And no, it is not a Festival Foods gift card. I hope you guys have an exceptional, positive, and wonderful week ahead. And look forward to talking to you next week. Blake's back tomorrow. So we're going to figure out what we're doing going forward. Take care.